Um, are there any resources and support networks that are available for parents of children with learning differences that you can share with those that are listening and watching?
No, I think there are good resources. Some are, you can find have a lot of different resources. One is American Academy of Child and Adolescent Psychiatry, aacap.org. American Academy of Pediatrics, aap.org. Similarly, American Psychological Association. I have also found good resources on Learning Disability Association of America, LDA. Similarly, there is another national organization on disability and learning disability. So these are a couple of organizations, that are there. Similarly, NAMI they have a lot of chapters regionally, which are more for parents, that you can reach out, find some support group. And but again, keep trying, keep reaching out, and keep trying and error which strategies you will learn and see which one fit in your situation.